Title: The Silent Strength of Structure. Good evening to all. This sketch may seem simple, but it tells a powerful story. The dark shades and bold lines show the strength of a solid structure, standing firmly on its base. Every edge and corner reflects balance, patience, and endurance. It reminds us that even when life looks rough and unclear, our foundation, our values and efforts keep us standing strong. The shadows show struggle, but also depth and character. Light and dark together make the picture complete. Just like success and failure make life meaningful, this drawing is not just about shapes, it is about resilience. It teaches that no matter how uneven the surface, we can still rise above it, steady and proud. Thank you for watching my video.